Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tengku Nurshaffina binti Tengku Amaran from 80-348. Would like to present for two sample t-tests for the subject AGR 543 Quantitative Methods of Agribusiness. First of all, two sample t-test is a two sample independent t-test can be run on sample data from a normally distributed numerical outcome variable to determine if its means differs across two independent groups. For example, we could see if the mean GPA differs between freshman and senior college students by collecting a sample of each group of students and recording their GPAs. For example of the study, Aziz grows chili in two separate fields. When the chilies are ready to be harvested, he is curious as to whether the sizes of his chilies differ between the two fields. He takes random sample of planting from each field and measure the heights of the plants, assuming both fields are approximately normal with equal variance. Is there a difference in mean yield? Alpha 0.05. Here is summary of the results. So field A have 22 plants, mean 1.83 meter and standard deviation 0.6 meter, followed by field B 25 plants, mean 1.45 meter and standard deviation 0.4 meter. Step 1, we must conduct the hypothesis first. For H null, mean size A and mean size B is equal 0. For H alternative, mean size A and mean size B is not equal to 0. In other words, H null, there is no evidence the sizes of chilies planting differ between the field A and field B. H alternative, there is evidence the sizes of chilies planting different between the field A and field B. Step 2 is to find the t-statistic. Before finding the t-statistic, we must find pool variance first, which is SP square. This is the formula of SP square. So, SP square is equal 22 minus 1 times by 0.62 square plus 25 minus 1 times with 0.42 square and divided by 22 minus 1 plus bracket 25 minus 1. So, the answer for SP square is 0.253. So, after we calculate the pool variance, we move to the t-statistic. So, this is the statistic formula. So, t is equal 1.83 minus 1.5 minus with 0 minus 0. So, we will divide it by square root of SP square, which is 0.253, and times with 1 over 22 plus 1 over 25 bracket. So, the t-statistic is 2.584. Step 3 is we need to find the critical value. First, we need to find the degree of freedom. So, it states 22 plus 25 minus with 2 is equal for 45. And we know that the significance value is 0.05. So, we can find the t-test table by follow the significance level and degree of freedom, and it will get 2.014. Step 4, we can draw bell curve to know the decision. Since it is two sample significance level, we'll divide it by 2, so it will be 0.025. As we can see, this statistic is greater than the critical value, so it will fall on the rejection area. Last but not least, for the step 5 is making decision and conclusion. So, reject H null at significant level 0.05 because the p-value is 0.013 is less than 0.05. So, there is no evidence the sizes of chilies planting different between the fields. So, that's all for me. Thank you.